Let us begin with the lesson to serve with love. To give the respect to the teacher in Marathi, Prati sir, Snehapurva Abhivadan. That is the meaning of the title. Eustace Edward Richard Ricardo Braithwaite, 1912 to 2016, known as E.R. Braithwaite, was a Ghanaian-born British-American novelist, writer, teacher, and diplomat. Best known for his stories of social conditions and racial discrimination against the black people. He was the author of one of the famous 1959 autobiographical novel To Serve with Love. That writer Braithwaite, their particular period of his life, 1912 to 2060, he was the best writer, teacher, and diplomat. He was born in British American as a novelist. His social conditions, he write the many stories on social conditions and racial discrimination against the black people. He was the famous author, written one of the autobiographical novel in 1959, To Serve with Love. He also wrote a kind of homecoming about his own tour of Africa, A Choice of Straws, a novel set in London, and Reluctant Neighbors, a memoir, and treatise about racism. So there is some kind of the writings of novels, and the name of the also given here. Braithwaite's numerous writing primarily deal with the difficulties of being an educated black man. What kind of the primarily faces many kind of the difficulties as educated of that black man? A black social worker, a black teacher, a human being who found himself in a set of inhuman circumstances. There are different kind of the problem faced by the black persons as a social worker, as a teacher, as a simple human beings found himself. There are many tremendous kind of the problems at the time. There is an autobiography of that writer Braithwaite, To Serve with Love, is an autobiographical novel. The narrator is an engineer. Narrator became an engineer, but to make both ends meet, he accepted the job of a teacher in Rogue London. He had accepted one of the job in London, East End School. The school is full of troublemaker students who are rejected from other school for their behavior. So there are many students, they have become very troublemakers, and they have rejected from many school because of their behavior. At the beginning, a narrator is ridiculous but bullied by the students, but later his calm and demeanor and desire to see them successful gradually earn their respect. So in this particular autobiographical, that he had gave up his first as an engineering job, and he had accepted one of the job, and that is a teacher job in the school. There are many students, they had make some troubles, and they had not get any admission in his school because of their behavior. In lastly, there in first there is an disrespectful, but in last he got the particularly respect by teachers. Characters in this particular lesson: Ricky Braithwaite, narrator; Gillian's Balchan, Mrs. Dalle Evan Denham; Pamela Dear, Mr. Florian. Minor character: Bob Belmont, Jocelyne Bender, Clinty, Slema, Drew, Hawkman, Moira, Joseph Plummer, Euphema, Phillips, Jan Purcell, Lawrence Shiel, Jess Belmont, Buckley, Josie Dravers, Patrick Fernman, Dick Jackson, Monica Page, Barbara Peck, Potter, Soprano, Theo Watsons. That are the some particular characters you will see in this lesson. Summary of the novel To Serve with Love is a work of fiction based on the life of authors E. R. Braithwaite. So there is the novel fiction that's based on the life of author. The name of author is E. R. Braithwaite. तर ही एक जी कादंबरी आहे टू सर विथ लव, प्रतिसर स्नेहपूर्वक अभिवादन ही कादंबरी ती एका ऑथरच्या E. R. Braithwaite यांच्या जीवनावरती आधारित. द मेन कॅरेक्टर E. R. Braithwaite वर्क ॲज अन इंजिनियर इन अन ऑइल रिफायनरी. ही सर्व the Royal British Air Force in the war. After the war, being a black person he was unable to find the employments. So that E.R. Braithwaite became the best engineer in oil refiners, and that became the main character. He served the Royal Britishers for Air Force in the war. As a black person, he was not unable to find the employment. तर E. R. Braithwaite हे मेन कॅरेक्टर आहेत. ते इंजिनिअरिंग ऑइल रिफायनरी म्हणून काम करत होते. ब्रिटिश एअरफोर्ससाठी ते काम करत होते. आणि ब्लॅक पर्सन काही युद्धाच्या नंतर हा ब्लॅक पर्सन म्हणून त्याला कुठेही जॉब असा मिळत नव्हता. ॲज अ लास्ट रिसॉर्ट ही अप्लाइड in the school, became a teacher, and surprisingly he accepted at the Green Slate School in the London East End, and is set to teach the seniors classes of the school. So in last he not unable to find any employment in anywhere, so finally he applied for the school teacher, and surprisingly he accepted the Green Slate School in London East End and as a seniors classes at the school. तर त्याला कुठेही जॉब मिळत नव्हता आणि शेवटी त्याने स्कूल टीचरसाठी अप्लाय केला आणि त्याला तो जॉब ग्रीन स्लेट स्कूलमध्ये मिळाला लंडन ईस्ट एंडला, आणि तो सिनियर विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी टीच करत असायचा. While reading the novel, we have to understand that the time period which the stories take place as very important. Braithwaite find that even though he considered himself British and he served in the Royal Air Force, in English do not consider him to be one of them. This is the lead Braithwaite to feel bitter about the English and colonialism, as well as about his white students. The word Colonism in the colonial domination policy. The one can dominate to the suppress to the lower one. White can be suppressed, white can be dominate to the blacker ones. That is the colonialism. So while reading this novel, you can understand the time period take place of the story is very important. Braithwaite find out the consider himself the British has served the Air Force. English do not consider about one of them, and this is the bitter kind of the experience about English and colonialism as well as the white students. हे नॉवेल वाचत असताना तुम्हाला तिथं त्या गोष्टी समजून घेणं फार गरजेचं. त्यातला वेळ प्रसंग आणि स्टोरी कोणत्या गोष्टीशी निगडीत आहे. आणि ब्रिटिशांचे जेव्हा तो काम करत असताना एअरफोर्स रॉयल एअरफोर्ससाठी RAFसाठी, तेव्हा इंग्लिश मेन्स जास्तीत जास्त प्रमाणात त्यांना त्रास वगैरे द्यायचे. आणि जेव्हा ते स्कूलमध्ये सुद्धा गेला तेव्हा ते इंग्लिश आणि कलोनिझम ह्या गोष्टीसुद्धा तो बघत होता. शेवटी तो या स्कूलमध्ये व्हाईट स्टुडंटबद्दलसुद्धा त्याला त्या गोष्टी अनुभवायला मिळाल्या. Braithwaite's teacher position start out roughly as embarrassed time and again. The word embarrassed means synonyms is ashamed. Braithwaite's teaching position was out roughly, and that became very embarrassed, and that has ashamed again. तर त्याने जे सुरू केले टीचिंग प्रोजेक्ट त्यालासुद्धा त्या गोष्टीचं बऱ्याच अशा लाजिरवाणी गोष्टी त्याच्या जीवनात घडल्यात. ही कन्सिडर्ड हिज अ स्टुडंट डिसरेस्पेक्टफुल, इल मॅनर अँड मिस्चिव्हस, while his students consider to be him to be an arrogant, considered unfamiliar with the social environment in which obey they have the grown up. So whenever the behavior of the students that became the ill mannered, mischievous, disrespectful, arrogant, unfamiliar social environment, if even has the grown up. तर त्याच्या विद्यार्थ्यांचं जे वागणं ते विचित्र, खोडकर आणि जे रिलेशन असायला पाहिजे टीचर्स स्टुडंटमधलं ते अनफॅमिलियर होतं. आणि या सगळ्या गोष्टी त्याच्या समाज वरून त्या सगळ्या घडत होत्या. म्हणजे जसा समाज तसा विद्यार्थी हे ते अनुभवतात. द स्टुडंट्स हॅरास्ड हिम फ्रॉम वन डे, slamming their desk during this lecture, using foul language and bullying him to great extent. Even a girl student do not spare the moment harass Braithwaite. In the reaction to the Braithwaite's verbally scolded the girls of acting unladylike manner and giving unruly in the classes. The word harass means annoying endlessly. So students also has to be slammed on the desk one day while the lecture is delivered by the Braithwaite, and the language of the student became very foul, not good in for a long time. And girls also the same kind of the behavior that many times, and that moment also harassed the Braithwaite. The reaction of verbally scolding to the girl, and they are not acting the good lady manner इन द क्लास. तर विद्यार्थी मुलं जसे वागत होते तशाच पद्धतीने मुलीसुद्धा वागत होत्यात. एके दिवशी डेस्क वागत होत्यात आणि फार वाईट असे शब्द ते तिथं त्यांच्या डिस्कशनमध्ये त्यांच्या बोलण्यामधून दिसत होते. आणि एकंदरीत त्यांचं जे वागणं होतं ते अनरुली होती. क्लासमध्ये जी लँग्वेज पाहिजे, जे बोलणं पाहिजे, टीचरांचे जे बोलणं पाहिजे ते सुद्धा चांगलं नव्हतं. So we stop here with the summary of the novel. Remaining part of this lesson we will be continuing in another lecture. Thank you.